Hello all, welcome back to the short-term course on Excel, that is specialty a primer. Now we are going to see a unique feature in Excel that is called as flash fill. Flash fill is the feature that is introduced in Excel, Microsoft Excel from 2013, that is 2013 version of Excel, and that it understands the patterns and it replicates to the subsequent cells or the cells that we have selected. This is the usefulness of this particular flash fill, and we can use it right now here, right? You can see the first name. We have a series of names, and that we are going to split up into first name and last name. I'm just typing Nancy, okay, Andy, okay, right? I am selecting this and pressing Control E. The moment I press Control E, E for English. E represents the flash fill here. Control E. And last name here, Smith. I'm just typing Smith here. For the next cell, before I type North, you can see Excel understands and then it shows up the data that is available in your cell. I'm just pressing enter. The moment I press enter, you can see all the data is split up and then copied to the last name. Okay, this is the way in which the flash fill works in Excel. And we'll see another example how flash fill works. You can see it here. I'm going to add email, Nancy Smith at gmail.com. Nancy Smith at gmail.com. I'm pressing enter. Okay, I'm just selecting this complete data and pressing Control E. I'm pressing Control E. The moment I press Control E, you can see that all the names are copied and it is added with an email. Gmail is added. Okay, right? We'll see another example. Proper case. Proper case is the title case, like capitalizing the first letter of each word. Okay, Nancy space Smith. And just I have done this. I'm selecting the data, Control E. See, again, it is converted. The flash fill works out here and it replicates to the subsequent cells. And here, we are going to use only the initials here. Okay, NS and AN. Just first letter of the word will be used here and then that is shown as initials here. I'm just selecting this and pressing Control E. You can see all the capitalized letters are isolated and then put up here. Okay, we'll see furthermore examples in flash fill. Okay, right? Now we are going to join two words, Nancy and Smith. So Nancy, Smith. Nancy and Smith. Previously we are parted two words. Now we are going to add these two words. Okay, Control E again. It works it out. It works out, right? And then here, you can see it here. Watch -W, scarf -M. See, for flash fill to work, it needs certain examples to understand how to identify the pattern. Only then the flash fill works perfectly. Okay, right? And here I have given us W and M. Now I'm just copying this. I'm just selecting this and pressing Control E. Now you can see it is done, right? And the last example here. Here, I have extracted only the year, month, and day. Okay, now I'm just selecting this, Control E. So all the year in the previous dates are isolated and then it is extracted. And month here, Control E. Okay, it is not working out. Why it is not working out? It needs some examples. I'm just pressing 4 here. Now you can see it works out because Excel is not understanding this particular date format. Okay, here it is 2, here it is 1. It is giving a wrong answer. So I am giving another example like you need to take the month from the dates. So month here represents 4. 4 is the April. I'm just typing here and select it, Control E. Just a moment. I'll delete this and I will refill this. You can see now the flash fill works, right? Now again, this 23, Control E. Again, it is not working it out, right? Now I'm giving another example. 23 is the first date and second is the 12. Now I'm selecting this, Control E. Now the dates are filled up. And this is a very, very useful feature in data manipulation, especially when it comes to Excel flash fill feature. The flash fill feature is also available in your menu. You can see it here, menu, editing tab. And if you click here, you can see the last option is flash fill. The last option is flash fill. You can activate it by clicking this button. Otherwise, you can press Control E. That's a shortcut that is available for you, right?